Just in the mowers that I see come in, being in the industry for so long, Cowie just lasts up longer than a Kohler, performs better.
Super cycle.
Recycle.
Super recycler.
Super recycler.
Recycler.
Super recycler, definitely.
Standard.
Stand-on.
I prefer stand-on mower.
Stand-on.
Zero turn.
Sit down.
Mulching. The bagger, you're gonna have to stop and empty it. The mulching, you just kind of keep going and do everything afterwards.
Mulching. Provide back to the ground. Mulching, porque el mismo césped se usa para fertilizar y alimentar el césped y se aprovecha de esa forma para el césped. Es mucho mejor, ¿no? Vas a alimentar el césped con tu propio césped. Es una forma de fertilizarlo.
I think it just looks better when you mulch it on there. Helps keep the grass healthy and stuff.
I like the circular.
Box stripes all the way.
Circle.
Boxed. Way cleaner. Kawasaki.
Cowie.
Cowie.
Kawasaki for sure.
Kawasaki, always. More genuine. Me gusta más Kawasaki.
From a couple of things that I've seen, the Cowie definitely comes out on top as far as durability and longevity. It's been around forever.
Just in the mowers that I see come in, being in the industry for so long, Cowie just lasts up longer, performs better.
Easy to walk on. Kohler is more difficult. Take longer to look up parts. They always changing parts a lot. Kawasaki pretty much keep everything the same. Easy to do warranties, easy to look up parts, and I just think it's a better engine all around.
Kohler es una buena marca, pero Kawasaki es un motor, me parece, con mejores componentes y soporta mucho más del maltrato. Es un motor que da buenas horas. Lo siento, Kohler, pero me gusta más Kawasaki.